It's the two-bike slipstream on the factory Honda, and Marc Marquez hits the front here in Mugello. Has he timed this to absolute perfection? Asking major questions. The two Ducatis, all three of them almost had contact. Petrucci ran the title line, picked up Dovizioso, he picked up Marc Marquez, and after all that, Petrucci still leads.
Petrucci leads, but Marquez is making shapes. He's trying to find a way through on the number 9. Is Rins still in this one because of all what's just happened into turn 1? They flick right. Petrucci, Marquez, Dovi, Rins. Dovi will not want to finish third here. Oh, I thought he was going to have a look there into Casanova, sorry. Now into Saffelli, the left-hander.
Petrucci half a lap away from a famous, fantastic, unforgettable first victory in MotoGP here in Mugello. Marquez and Dovizioso, though, are piling on the pressure. Up into Arrabbiata 2 for the final time. It's still Petrucci.
Dovi's got to pounce. He's got to pounce. Is he going to make it into here? No. Marquez is having a look as well. Look at this. Is he going to pull off the move here? No. Dovi's getting close as well. We're entering the final sector shortly.
Well, it's going to be all about surely a move into the final corner. Bacchini, can Marquez get it lined up? Can he nail Biondetti 1 and 2? Through current tyre for the final time, and Danilo Petrucci now just 3 corners away from his first Grand Prix victory. Can he hold firm into Bacchini? Can he hold the slipstream off from Marc Marquez and Andrea Dovizioso? Petrucci then comes to turn 15. He leads Dovizioso, tries to find up the way, but Marc Marquez can't find a way through. Petrucci still leads into the final corner.
It's all about the slipstream. Rins is challenging Dovizioso. It won't be a win for them. The checkered flag is out here in Mugello. What's going to happen? Oh, it is!
Petrucci!
He's done it! Petrucci's dream is realised. He is a MotoGP winner.
Marc Marquez will lead over the line surely to start this final lap. We're about 6 kilometres away from the end of what's been an absolutely unbelievable start to 2019.
Here comes Dovizioso, through on the slipstream, up the inside, a powerhouse on the Bologna Bullet, into turn 1.
Can he get it stopped? That's the crucial question. Yes, he can. He sort of drags it, holds it up on the brakes into the middle of the corner, slows down Marc Marquez. So Dovizioso then decides to pick up the baton. Dovizioso versus Marc Marquez at the moment on this last lap. Crutchlow, Rins and Rossi still right there.
Oh, big moment for Marquez. Almost loses the front, the rear comes round a bit, but they're still all in contention. Crutchlow still somehow there, Rins and Rossi also.
Oh, Crutchlow. Like he did last year,
ya.